you should use graphics as much as you can to effectively write your answers. Now let's take say another question, that is animism and deep ecology. That question was asked I think 3-4 years back. Both of these, animism and deep ecology, they are the philosophies connected with nature, philosophies connected with sustainable living. They are philosophies connected with nature or sustainable living. Now, basically, this could be your introduction also, right? After that, you can define both of them. What do you mean by animism, right? It's one or two features. Then you define what do you mean by deep ecology. So deep ecology is a modern environmental philosophy that says every component of ecosystem, whether organic or inorganic, has its own inherent value. That philosophy was basically first suggested by Arne Naess, and it became an environmental movement, right? After doing this, you can simply connect the two, the animism and deep ecology. How you can connect? So animism says everything possesses soul, whether it is living or non-living, they possess soul. Then what deep ecology says? Deep ecology says that everything, every part of ecosystem have inherent value in itself. And here you can write deep ecology. Now, deep ecology says that every component of ecosystem has inherent value in itself, right? Whether it is living, means biotic, or it is abiotic, both has its own inherent value. Don't you see there is some connection between an animism on one hand and deep ecology on the other hand? So what you did here, you have drawn this beautiful diagram, and through this diagram you have conveyed your entire idea that how this traditional belief system, or you can say traditional knowledge system, is connected with the modern knowledge system. That means the modern environmental philosophies, they derive their inspiration from the traditional philosophies. That's the question that you have taken here, and that is a beautiful diagram that you could draw, and you can fetch extra marks also. Now, after writing this, you can take some examples from contemporary environmental movements also. So one example can be the protest by Dongaria Kond community against the expansion of Vedanta bauxite mines in Niyamgiri Hills. So basically their expansion, Vedanta's or postcode's expansion, was basically challenged by Dongaria Kond people.
हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा ट्रेडिशनल, हमारा कल्चर, हमारे कस्टम को हमें बचा के रखने के लिए.
Now Dongaria Kond people challenged it because they believe that their god Niyam Raja live in Niyamgiri Hills. So their belief is that their god, the god's soul live in Niyamgiri Hills. So they were protesting against this. Now what happened? Their protest was supported by environmentalists. So basically, this is their traditional knowledge system, Dongaria Kond's traditional knowledge system, and it was supported by whom? Environmentalists, who see that every component of ecosystem has its own inherent value. That means biodiversity has its inherent value. These rocks, these mountains have inherent value. The value is not just from the human lens or anthropocentric lens. That is the question here the UPSC was asking. The spirit behind this question, I believe you could have fathomed now that why UPSC is asking. So UPSC basically wanted to see whether you can see anthropology that is a bridge between the traditional knowledge system and modern knowledge system or not. So anthropology is a bridge between traditional knowledge system and modern knowledge system that you can use as a conclusion. So this is what I have to discuss for today. I will keep on coming for such kind of insightful discussions. Thank you for watching. All the very best. God bless you.